Want to purchase Atlanta Brave ticket online? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, move into official website of Ticketmaster.com. Once you're in this official page, make sure you are logged in into your account. After that, select the dates and the location of when you want the ticket. Once you've selected the specific date and location, in the search bar, search for Atlanta Brave and then click on the specific show. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on this page. Now once again scroll down and different tickets will be available to you. Choose a specific one and click on Find Ticket. At the right hand side of the screen, select the number of ticket you want to purchase. Now simply select the placement and look for the amount as well. Once selected, tap on Reserve Tickets. Follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. After that, your ticket will be reserved and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.